short delay, that's traffic Ultra 5.
Okay, perfect. And Oakland 190 to Bobby.
Set your 100 kit by Charles de Gaulle, ramp off for X-ray departure. Climb altitude 4,000 feet initially, spoke 350.
Very Charles de Gaulle, ramp off for X-ray departure. 4,000 feet at the scope. Until 5 accelerator 190.
Accelerator 100, correct.
Email Golf 3 from 2.
Lima Golf 3 for them of right and downwind following 24.
Reporting to 5 right and downwind, this moment 24, leading the Golf.
Lima Golf 3 for final, runway 24.
Report final 24, leaving the Golf.